Look at you.
I can see it there. This is a low point, I'm gonna tell you that. Low point in my life.
Okay, we are at the Takao station.
Tokyo Quest.
There's a Takao mountain right there. And Takao mountain is like almost 600 meters and popular to hike.
Could go for a hike, that sounds nice. Let's do it.
Tokyo Quest. Before we go into the mountain,
Yeah.
there's a museum. It's Trick Art Museum.
Yeah.
1名様1300円です。
Such a bad actor. They cannot.
Huh?
There's a costume right there.
Oh, that's wonderful.
You know where?
You know I don't. Is this really necessary?
Look at you.
I can see it there. This is a low point, I'm gonna tell you that. Low point in my life.
You look so stupid.
I feel so stupid. I tricked you, that was video.
What?
Dude, I don't think the costume you're supposed to walk around. I think it's just for this picture. Probably I should take it off. That's better, right? That's what I should do.
Yeah, maybe.
Are you serious?
Tokyo Quest.
Oh, that's way too small.
The museum was pretty fun, huh?
Dude, I enjoyed that quite a bit.
I think people are interested in Mount Takao, so you gotta show what it looks like, man.
Okay.
It's so cheap.
It's so cheap, dude.
Almost $3. This is real.
That's pretty damn nice.
Ikoya.
That one's just dope. This one's the one that isn't.
It's so dope.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I'm getting it.
Yeah.
Dude, you could get a flute.
Oh my gosh. You wanna buy it?
I kind of don't. That's not how you play it.
Tokyo Quest. This is so nice to go up. There's a chairlift and a cable car. It's same price, $930 I think. There's a place to put your face out there. No, that one.
Damn it.
No, put your face more, man.
It doesn't fit.
Okay, we are at the Yakuoin, which is the temple, but it's not top, so we're going to the top from now.
This isn't the top yet?
Not yet.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Alright.
What did you say?
Let's race, dude. First one to the top, dude. I meant race to the top of the stairs, not the top of the mountain. We did it. Tokyo Quest.
So here's a tip. During the weekend and the Sunday or Japanese holiday, it's so crowded. But the weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday maybe, there's not that much people. So
There's like no one here.
yeah, if people want to go to the Mount Takao, you guys should come during the weekdays.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe don't run.
Tokyo Quest.
What does that song mean?
This is 5 o'clock. Sometimes in countryside,
Yeah.
they play this kind of music when it's 5 o'clock.
It's just the 5 o'clock song?
Yeah, it's usually it's 5 o'clock.
That's weird, bro.
Okay, we're going back by this cable car. Tokyo Quest. Okay, we came back from the mountain, and then there is an onsen out here, so we're going to the onsen after the hiking.
It's gonna be nice.
Yeah. It's called Gokuraku-yu. Yeah, let's go. It's 1,000 yen, but if it's the high season, it's gonna be 200. Okay, we cannot film the inside. Tokyo Quest. Onsen was so good, huh?
Dude, I'm so relaxed right now. You know,
What's that?
actually, a lot of people probably don't like if I have visitors come here, they don't want to do onsen because they don't want to get naked with a bunch of dudes.
Okay.
Man, you got to get past it. It's worth it. This onsen is special, bro. Tokyo Quest.